Okay, so let's continue to make. Yeah, I made my night. Okay, so here let's going to make a bracelet. So how to make the bracelet with the purple beads and the turquoise color? Let's see. Wire not only make a bangle, you can make it to bracelet as well. So first, you use the round plier. This is a plier that both is in round, and you will see that repeat here. Make a small cute loop and use your plier tight here, then lock. And I'm here to show you a way that's how to make it fast. Okay, first the beginning, then you are going to cut the wire 0.6 about 40. Yeah, about 40. Okay, John, silver color pack for you. Cut the wire longer, then your pattern of the beads, how to string. Yeah, I plan to put the piece of the beads, one blue turquoise, one amethyst beads, and one blue turquoise. This is the pattern of the bracelet I plan to make. So I will string all the beads first. So again, one blue, one purple, one blue. So phone call and Mr. so much. Rondia will just make one bangle. Yeah. How do you have gold field wire? Dear, we only sell the copper wire here for the jewelry making. We use the copper wire to make many different designs here. So if you are interested to try, you can get the copper wire. Gold field wire, the price is a little bit high. It's not so much good for new starter because the price is too high. If we make something at the when you are learning, it will waste a lot of the materials and the cost is too high. So copper wire is for the new starter to try to learn at the beginning. And also our copper wire is non-tarnish. Non-tarnish, when you wear it go shower, go swimming, the color not be faded. So when you wear it on hand, it's like a fashion jewelry. Yeah, gold field wire is more suited for the people who want to get some fine jewelry. Yeah, price more higher. Thank you. Can you do a flex wire later? If beads heavy, will it easy break? Flex wire. If beads heavy, then maybe it's not so much easy. But if the wire you use is a thick one, then it's not a very big problem. Yeah, like you make the keychain, the phone, hand phone. Use the flex wire. Need a thick size of the wire. Yeah. Okay. This one. We are stringing in advance. Okay. We use string because we plan to get one, two, three, one by one, like this. Then let's lock at the end. Yes, we have the big size of the flex wire for the handphone. For handphone only. Yeah. Thank you, Royce. Happy to see you. And you paid your box. Well received. Yeah, well received. Thank you. So now let's go into put 3-piece beads and let's go into wrap fold. Yeah, and the wrap. Okay, the price is very nice. Then I'm going to show you 那个做手机绳的那个钢丝线拿来一下。Okay, it's here. Make one piece and continue fold. Mila open a box. Okay, this one. 然后好像有2.5的定位珠。Okay, wrap. Give wrap it 3 times and cut this small. Did you already ship out my order? Yes, already ship out. Ship out the day before yesterday. Yeah, when you paid, we ship out the second day. Okay, so here we're going to fold the wire and use the finger to wrap the wire calm and then lock 1, lock 2. Then it's okay. Thank you. Here. This one. Here. And fold it here this way. 对 touch. So it come a bracelet. Of course, if you want to make 1 bead only, you can use just 1 bead only. Yeah, thank you, Jennifer B. Okay. So here, yeah, it's going to match this bangle. Okay. Fold, wrap, and tight, and tight. Can we claim these beads, please, Stella, when you are finished the bracelet? Do you mean these beads? These beads, amethyst or the blue beads? Okay. 6mm, $10. Yeah, only two in stock. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to get more stock. Don't worry. Yeah. Then the blue one, let me check. Blue one is the wheel shape. Yeah. Here. So here is the way to make the bracelet. Fold and wrap and up your plier, then lock 1, 2, lock. Okay, the tutorial, you got it, how to make. Again, the wire plier here, fold, wrap, up here. 帮我查一下这个小珠子的价格，在2乘4的 wheel shape 里面 ，wheel beads WHEEL。Put the beads inside and the plier come tight. Wrap here and cut. This one 不是是这个，但是上一次我价格是没有查，我随便报给你的。Wrap here and wrap here. This one. Wrap here, hang on and touch. Wheel shape. So it's this way to make. Fold. Wrap. 8.5. The price for the turquoise color 8.5. 8.5. 大家清掉吧。27号。今天那个清掉吧，拿来。Here. Wrap. 等一下我包。Wrap here. Hang on. Touch. It's the wheel shape. Missing 1 bead. I forgot to string one bead, so yeah, have to cut. Okay, so this is the way that to make 0.6 millimeter wire size here. Oh, stupid. Again, forgot. Here. Turquoise shape. Fold. And lock. So this is the way to make this kind of the bracelet. If you have the patient enough, make it to a necklace. Here. This one.在那个放黑色垫布的那边。
这个地方我看过。
再找一下，肯定有的，没有卖完。Fold. Hello, Rina. Happy to see you. Okay, it's like this, and then continue. This way. Again, the beads. Yes, the wire size is 0.6, beads 6 millimeter and 4 millimeter. Let's see if the length is enough. The size now is 17 centimeter, almost 7 inch. So here we can finish to make the bracelet. Okay, 0.6 is the wire. Chick need the total, not a close box yet. Just want to know the total for Chick. Okay, so let's go in to use the clasp to close this bracelet. Okay, so let's close it. I've been watching you for ages. You do such a nice job. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your like. If you are interested, you can learn here or get a new idea here. That's what I mean. What Cheshik said. Okay. Cheshik needed the total. Yeah. Okay. So here the bracelet. Then we go to use the piece of this clasp, because now we finish a piece of the link. Yeah. Then we need to use a clasp to make it the end. Oh, I think I make it a little bit one more piece. My size is big. I have a big hand. Okay, so one more. Thank you, Janelle, for you. I didn't understand it when the ticket come out. Yeah, I was thinking it's a mistake. Okay. What size is your wrist? It's about the middle size, about 7 inch. Yeah, 7 inch. But when we are use the beads to make, we measure it. It is 7. But when we wear it, the inside the diameter is not be 7. It means you use the big beads to make. When the total length is 7 inch, then the bracelet wear on the hand is not 7. It will be take the space. Phone will not stop ringing, cutting into Dallas time. Couldn't think of what to say. It's okay. Yeah, my misunderstand. Chick your total 167. 167. Yeah. 177. Yeah, 177 included the beads. So 177. Yeah. 177 included the purple amethyst beads you claimed today. One. So here let's go into lock and open the jump ring. Hang on and hang on. Okay, then we close the piece of the jump ring. You remember when you start, sometimes always cannot close the jump ring well, so you have to close it the two end, let it be neat so that it will be stronger to make this bracelet safe. Can you tell me my total? Okay, Blue Moon wants to know a total. Then the end, we're going to use the extender chain. Extender chain is used to adjust the length. Yeah. Okay. With a jump ring, small size. Here, put the plier here, open, hang on, and hang on, close here. Hi Kim, happy to see you. So we finished the bracelet. Yeah, this one the bangle, and this is the bracelet. Okay, so bracelet we finish, bangle we finish. So copper wire not only make a bangle, it can make a bracelet. When I make this bracelet, it means it can make a necklace, right?